Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Friday, July 15, 2022. A national strategy to combat organized crime is being developed by the government. The strategy will target key crime producers and create an environment for sustained crime reduction. It will also seek to increase economic growth and prosperity while achieving Plan Secure Jamaica. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang says organized crime is a major setback for national development and a hindrance to inclusive economic growth. Dr. Chang has reiterated government's commitment to disrupting, deterring, detecting, and prosecuting criminal elements involved in both domestic and transnational organized crime. The National Security Minister was delivering the opening remarks at the launch of a 3-day technical workshop on the strategy's development on Tuesday. In their deliberations, participants were urged to consider emerging organized crimes such as trafficking in persons, cybercrimes, extortion, and the illicit guns for drugs and guns for food trade. Minister with responsibility for the continuous improvement of correctional centers, Xavier Main, says he is pleased with operations and leadership at juvenile facilities as the government continues to provide rehabilitation support. Assessments were carried out yesterday during a tour at the Rio Cobre and Tredegar Park facilities by the minister and his team.
The juveniles who have certainly found themselves on the wrong side of the law, we want to make sure that we give them an opportunity to learn from whatever wrong they may have done. We want to, bring them through a process of rehabilitation. And for us, it is important that the programs that are here are geared to just that.
Some of the programs being offered are education, vocational training, life skills, and therapeutic mental development. Recently, Block A at the Rio Cobre facility was renovated and Block B is being prepared for similar upgrade.
The rehabilitation program is quite credible, and this is an area that we definitely will be ramping up the support that it gets from government.
Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says challenges such as supply chain disruptions being faced by operators of the island's small and medium-sized tourism enterprises, SMTEs, are being addressed through training, development, and financing. While speaking recently at the opening of the 8th staging of the Christmas in July initiative, Minister Bartlett said his ministry is working to future-proof this industry against any possibilities of an economic downturn.
Is a confluence of many economic and social activities that must come together seamlessly to create an experience that people like. And if we said that 80% of that experience is the small and medium enterprises, we must build their capacity to be the beneficiaries of it.
While addressing close to 200 local suppliers at the opening ceremony, Minister Bartlett also said building quality, consistency, and good prices are essential to the competitiveness of Jamaican products. To that end, he's encouraging operators of SMTEs to provide high-quality products to ensure the resilience of the industry and their continued viability in the market. The Scientific Research Council, SRC, yesterday honored 9 Jamaican women who have been making significant strides in helping to develop the country's science and technology industry. The recognition of the women comes against the backdrop of the development of the agency's S&T Extraordinaires Recognition Program designed to celebrate our top female achievers in science and technology. Portfolio Minister Darrell Vaz, while speaking yesterday at the program's launch, said the 9 women have contributed greatly to the country in the fields of biotechnology, health, education, physics, and information communication technology, ICT.
The government of Jamaica, the ministry, and Jamaicans at large owe you a great debt of gratitude. Congratulations. I wish to assure you and others within your discipline that this government, through the Ministry of Science, Energy and Technology, is committed to the development and advancement of science and its related fields. We are cognizant of the important role of science in creating new knowledge, solving problems, and improving the quality of life.
The S&T Extraordinaires Recognition Program is the first of its kind to be launched in Jamaica to highlight the successes of exceptional Jamaican female scientists. The program forms part of the SRC's mandate to popularize science and technology and foster a scientific culture amongst Jamaicans. Aspiring innovators are being called to submit their ideas and inventions to the National Innovation Competition by July 31. Executive Director of the National Commission on Science and Technology, Dr. Olive Jean Burrows, says the competition is designed to help winners and shortlisted applicants move forward with their innovations. She was speaking at a recent JIS think tank.
Think of the opportunity that you will have on the other side of applying, right? Even if you are just, you weren't one of the top winners, but you were shortlisted, there's still the opportunity to get training and pretty much an incubation for your project that can lead you to how you can actually commercialize in the future.
Dr. Burrows also added that the innovations will be protected as the submissions are registered with the Jamaica Intellectual Property Office, JIPO. Interested persons can visit the NCST's website at ncst.gov.jm for more information. And finally, Sport Minister Olivia Grange has welcomed the upcoming fundraising boxing match dubbed Rumble in the Sun. The event, which is scheduled for October 1, will be headlined by former heavyweight boxer Donovan Razor Ruddock. Funds will be used to carry out infrastructure development at the Good Hope Primary and Infant School in St. Catherine.
I want to give back because in my community in St. Catherine, Red Ground Good Hope School, so what I'd like to do is put on a show here, a boxing show with another legendary boxer. And part of that proceeds would make some infrastructure, build a new classroom for the kids.
Mr. Ruddock also has plans to establish 3 gyms with the aim of attracting young talent and encouraging greater female participation in the sport. Minister Grange says the event will also assist in the revitalization of the sport locally.
Your visit is timely because we're on that path, we're moving in that direction, we're doing the work, and your involvement and support will strengthen our efforts.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.